Is your TalkTalk router not working properly? A factory reset can help fix connection issues or restore the router to its default settings. In this video, I will show you 2 easy ways to do it. Let's get started. Method 1. Reset using the reset button. Make sure your TalkTalk router is powered on. First, locate the small reset button on the back or bottom of the router. You'll need a paperclip or SIM eject tool to press it. Gently insert a paperclip or SIM eject tool into the reset hole. Then press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the router lights start flashing. Release the button and wait 3 to 5 minutes while the router restarts and restores its factory settings. Method 2. Reset from the router settings. First, connect your mobile or laptop to the TalkTalk router using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Open a web browser and enter your router's address 192.168.1.1. Then log in with TalkTalk username and password printed on the sticker. Once you are logged in to Dashboard, now click Internet Connectivity option. Under Internet Connectivity Settings, click Manage Advanced Settings at the left side bottom. Under Advanced Settings, go to Maintenance tab. Then go to Reset option from left side menu. Click Reset button and then confirm the reset. The router will reboot and return to its default settings. That's it. Your TalkTalk router has been successfully reset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.